से राबता, मेहरबानी जाते जाते मुझ पे कर गया, गुजरता सा बनकर जो मिलते हैं लोग, दुश्मनी क्यों निभाते हैं लोग। काली मेरी कुत्ते परंद मेरा लालनी, हो काली मेरी कुत्ते परंद मेरा लालनी। फिकर आजा इधर, बीट पे लगा ले तू ठुमका।
1 2 3 4 get on the dance floor.
Showdown, hit it, party, hit it, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me some more. Paritin, a lovely one bar,
Welcome big and warm enough to encompass you all. To say we are thrilled to have you here, Hamsika ji, is an understatement.
Hi. My pleasure, my pleasure. I'm happy that we all could find time to connect with each other.
Yes. Let me introduce Hamsika Iyer. Hamsika Iyer is the voice behind many mega Bollywood hits like Chamak Chalo, Rafta, 1 2 3 4, Get on the Dance Floor. We have all danced to the songs when we were 13, 14-year-old. And she's an 8-time award winner, a multilingual live performer, a world musician, and one of the most versatile singers. She's also been a member of Saregama Little Champs Grand Jury for 2 years. And she has worked predominantly in Bollywood in famous movies like Jungli and Wazir. She's also contributed to ad, world jingles, and Marathi tele-serials, and has sung songs in Kannada, Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, and Bengali movies. It's a pleasure to have you here with us today, ma'am.
Thank you, Pratiksha. Thank you so much for such a hearty welcome. How nice. So today when I sing, are you going to dance?
No,
maybe yeah, maybe we'll all dance. And now Ashwati will do the invocation song.
Okay.
I'll just start with my singing. Okay, so Shuklam Bharadharam Ganapati Mantra Nityam Nityam Jabo Jabo. Shuklam Bharadharam Ganapati Mantram Nityam Nityam Jabo Jabo. Vigna Vinayaka Vidyastapaka Veera Ganapati Jabo. Vigna Vinayaka Vidyastapaka Veera Ganapati Jabo. Shuklam Bharadharam Ganapati Mantram Nityam Nityam Jabo Jabo. Nityam Nityam Jabo Jabo. Thank you. We welcome you, ma'am.
Very nice, Ashwati. Very sweet.
So actually, Hamsika ji, everybody is asking me why an education institution is, interviewing a singer. But it is, so this is basically to enlighten people that academics is not everything in it, There is life beyond that. There are many musical geniuses who are struggling as a banker, as a call center employee. Because they couldn't pursue what they want to do in life. And this happened because they were not guided at the right age. So having you here is basically to inspire children to take up, if they are good at singing, if they are good at music composition, if they are good at, you may be good at so many things, but you are good at one thing, that is singing. So they have to enhance their skills according to that at the right age, so we just want to know, when did your journey begin as a singer? How did you?
I'll tell you. As a school child, when I was in school, hey, tell me something. Are you people allergic to something? I'm just asking. Are you all allergic to something?
Yeah, maybe I'm allergic to. I don't know. There are so many things, but folding clothes I don't like.
Acha, you're allergic to that. Acha, Ashwati?
No, ma'am. I'm not
Are you
allergic
allergic to something like eating or whatever? Like, you anything like, are you allergic to something?
Something would be there.
Which
It might be there, but right now I'm not getting anything.
okay. You, Pratiksha?
Milk.
I was allergic to studies. Bachpan. That's why I asked you these questions. But seriously, I still don't know how I have completed my studies. I have no clue. School days, I have grown up with two elder brothers. So I have been extremely tomboy. I have been a tomboy all my life. Playing. And and what happened? I'm actually very thankful that I had that kind of you know growing,
Personality.
because once you start any kind of activity, whether it is music or sports or whatever, take part. That's the biggest thing. Winning or losing is beside the point. Beside the point. Because of sports, what happened? There's a lot. Many times I used to win, yes, but there were times I used to lose. So as a child, you are actually. It's a very beautiful thing when you see defeat. It's very important. It's very healthy because it helps you in the long run. ठीक है, वो हुआ. I have always been more a sports person during my school days. Music is in my family. My father is my guru. Okay. Apart from father, I've mainly learned Carnatic music from Appa. Okay. But फिर भी growing years में he was working, so sometimes time kadakadu. And also when your father or your mother is your guru, no, sometimes the taken for granted comes. நம்ம பொண்ணுதானே இப்போ உட்காரலாம், और बात करेंगे ये सैटरडे या तो वो संडे या तो वो थर्सडे, ऐसा होता था. तो कभी then my mom saw this and she said, apart from the fact that she learns from you, I think she needs to go out of the house and learn from another person for regularity. Okay. Anyway, I'm just saying, whatever. Sometimes you may learn. I know of girls like you who have come to my house when I was in school to learn from my parents, and I could see them so bored. They would come only because their parents would push them. And the situation also, and my parents saw, and they called the parents and they spoke to them saying, don't ever force your child to do something just because someone else is doing it. Some other घर पे बच्चे गा रहे हैं, डांस कर रहे हैं, don't force. If they have then अंदर और natural that एक interest है, then send them for music or dance or any activity. These are the small things, because most of the time namal ke ariyama somebody will be forcing and we will learn jaane dere karke, theek hai. But if you all are interested in music or dance or any form of art, grab it with both hands, because it's like a therapy. That's your best friend. You will never feel lonely. Any form of art will be your best friend. You will never feel alone. You will not need anyone. You can be with your art all the time. And Appala, as you very rightly said, Bharti, pehle sir, there was one BSc, which means intelligent one. BCom,
Yeah.
फिर भी BA तो gone to dogs, and I have done BA only. And तो other categories, वो category था, अयो पाटा डांसा அப்படினா என்ன, no, the parents would never know, कि इसमें भी there is a career, that can be a career. But luckily, since my parents are creative, they knew, and also the fact that I was not academically very strong.
No, just imagine A.R. Rahman is doing engineering. What would happen? It's the same thing. No?
Such
No, the
yeah.
other day I've met one of my acquaintances, and she's saying like her elder son has joined medical, and she wants the other two daughters also to do medicals. Otherwise, they will fight with me. They will be upset that you made Anna do medicals and not send us. So I don't know what logic is that.
What is this logic?
Here in South India, especially, people don't think beyond medical and engineering.
Yeah. And see,
There are no
let's not
arts.
forget.
Arts group in the 12th standard, 11th standard, and 12th standard at all in any schools.
Really?
So, yes.
No arts?
No arts at all here.
Why is it so looked down upon? Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't understand. It's such a
We have to
beautiful-
change those perceptions. Yeah.
Absolutely. And also I think, today if a child like Pratiksha or Ashwati, they know for a fact that I want to pursue art. I want to pursue singing. At least today there is a scope of, soon after school you can straight away pursue, go into that, that kind of a course.
Opportunities are there.
Option is there. And Ilana, bloody finish your BA, BCom or BSc and then you will wonder, gaya na, utna sal gaya, papad bela. So,
That's what.
Adi effort, you can put it in something that you're already interested.
Interesting.
So, it's very important, but phir bhi, Indian education system has come a long way. There are many options today. And I think today's kids are also very sharp. They are very, very blunt. They tell the parents, this is what we want to do. So, wo ek hai. And it's fun, yeah. Go with the flow.
Yeah.
Chalega. See, if you like something, go for it. Unless you give it full 100%, make mistakes. Fantastic. No problem. You will learn. And just go ahead. Very
Hamsika ji,
important.
tell us about your journey to Chamak Chalo song. How did that happen, and what is it like, the experience with the Bollywood people, and after that, after post success and before success, everything like towards that journey.
Okay. See, after college, I had actually taken part in Saregama. The very
Abhishek.
first, 1995. If you remember, 1995, the very first season of Saregama. Sonu Nigam was the host.
Yeah.
I was pushed into, giving an audition because of my family and my friends. Why? Because I was a very happy-go-lucky girl. I'm telling all these stories because wo baad mein you will understand. Acha. Why I'm saying. I have been a very happy-go-lucky, busy, traveling and chumma time pass kar rahi thi my life mein. Though I knew that the school got to know that I sing. Colleges mein I was singing, but I never took it seriously. Never thought that I'll make a career out of it. ठीक है? I was like that. Then Saregama ka ad आया. So my parents and my family and like my brothers and my friends and all, अरे हमसे तुम जाना तो वैसे भी पूरा life you have taken part in competitions इसमें भी जा. I said नहीं यार, no, I'm not ready for this. They pushed me. I went for the audition and immediately I was taken. They heard me. They said you are in.
Yeah, your mesmerizing voice.
अरे yo नहीं यार मैं तो disappointed. I said shit. In my head I'm thinking, oh yo, now they have chosen me. Now what do I do? I'll have to take part now. I was in that zone. Okay, and I thought, first round I'll be out. Okay, first round. Adesh Srivastava was the judge. I was so sure I'll be out, but I cleared and I went to semi. Then I said, oh no, semi-final mein. Then I told Hariharan was there. Hariharan sir was the judge. I was confident. Abhi isse aage main nahi badungi. I started crying. I came back to the green room. I was crying because I was chosen for the final.
Okay.
I called up my mom. I said, "Oh, your mom! I got selected for final. What do I sing?" Then எங்க அம்மா யாரே கங்க்ராச்சுலேஷன்ஸ் டி அரே வெரி குட் யூ காட் செலக்டட் ஃபார் ஃபைனல் அது இல்ல அதெல்லாம் எனக்கு முடியாது எனக்கு ரொம்ப டென்ஷன் அடிக்குது நான் என்ன பாருங்க எனக்கு தெரியவே இல்ல how what do I do I have reached the final now I'm worried I was just not hoping to even clear the audition and here I have reached the final Khayyam Saab आए थे for the final I have learned, see, I have grown up listening to Madan Mohan, R.D. Burman, O.P. Nair, Salil, everyone. I have grown up where I'm playing, carom or TT or football or, cricket, and that is there. Okay, that is different to sitting, listening to a song properly, learning. Because I knew 4 songs without seeing, उठे सबके कदम देखो रम पम पम picnic songs I knew अजीब दास्ता I knew and I knew ना जिया लगे ना அது ஏதோ தடுக்கி விழுந்து அது சரின்னு அது கத்தணும் அப்போ and I knew आपकी नजरों ने समझा and मेघा छाए okay तो ये songs
Can you please sing that song आपकी नजरों में it's been long time please
okay of course see आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे दिल की है धड़कन ठहर जा मिल गई मंजिल मुझे आपकी नजरों ने समझा जी हमें मंजूर है आपका ये फैसला जी हमें मंजूर है आपका ये फैसला कह रही है हर नजर बंदा परवर शुक्रिया हंस के अपनी जिंदगी में कर लिया शामिल मुझे दिल की है धड़कन ठहर जा मिल गई मंजिल मुझे आपकी नजरों ने समझा
Oh my God! Every time I listen to you, my eyes tears comes up. It's like so beautiful. Oh my God!
Thank you. तो ये हुआ. Why I'm saying Khayyam Saab came. Bharti, I lost in the final, and I'm very happy I lost. Today I am where I am because of yes, mummy daddy ka blessings is there, everything is there. Okay, अपना hard work है, everything. लेकिन that failure, it actually opened my eyes because I was not sad. Something inside of me told me, Hamsika Iyer, you have something in you which has brought you to the final of Saregama. Wake up and see it, respect what you have, and take it seriously. Yeah,
great attitude. Yeah.
Uske baad, I took it seriously. I'm very happy I lost. I never get tired of telling people. I'm very happy I lost. That's why I found myself. That's where I found the music in me. I took it seriously. Uske baad, see, my parents, very creative people. They have been associated with advertising world for a long time. They were writing Tamil writers also. My father has been the creative head of agencies, ad agencies also. So that way I got a little bit exposed to advertising. Jingles. I started singing jingles. Lekin that was in my school days and college days. Abhi uske baad thoda then my father also retired. Okay, then I told my dad, I am going to try, I'm going to get back into advertising. But don't mind, not to disrespect you, I'm not going to tell, hey, I'm Mr. Balu's daughter, can I have? No, this will be my struggle. I want to know if people will call me just for my talent. But I know your blessing is there, I know your guidance is there. Allow me to struggle on my own. I don't want to, take your name or Amma's name. They said, done, go for it. And
I'm sorry.
let me know where, when, what time. He said, abhi aaja studio. I ran.
Amazing.
2010 December. Okay. मैं गई. And I don't ask पूरा 20 questions. अरे कौन सा गाना किसके लिए? नहीं. Because by doing that, this is my nature. I'm not generalizing. My nature. The minute I asked everything, I will start sweater bono 5. இது இப்படி இருக்கும், அது அப்படி இருக்கலாம், वो ऐसा मैं बड़ा सा वो ऐसा फुगा बना के फट होता है. So मैं नहीं करती. I go to the studio, I surprise myself or I shock myself. No problem. I go to the studio first. So I went there. Vishal and Shekhar, they hugged me and we know each other, no? So they said, Hamsi, Shah Rukh Khan ka film hai. Then I looked at
Wow.
him. Acha. And then he said, Shekhar, because Shekhar is my friend, okay. He said, तूने सुना तो होगा ना रावण film. I said, हाँ यार, अभी तो it's all over the news, हाँ. And I'm actually, I don't know. I'm hearing, but I'm not understanding. It's not sunk actually. तो शॉक हुआ है मुझे. तो he said, तो तू है उस गाने में. You will be singing along with the international singer Akon. So
Yeah.
my face was like blank, like a cardboard. I didn't know how to react. I was shocked. I was in a state of shock. Kareena Kapoor, Shah Rukh Khan, Akon, and me. Okay?
Abhishek, her video.
तो क्या हुआ?
Sorry.
Shekhar was sitting right next to me. So I was just looking like this. Like I'm looking blank ना ऐसा. तो वो मेरे को देख के शायद सोचा होगा, अच्छा इतना बड़ा न्यूज़ दे रहा और उसका यही रिएक्शन है, क्या करें? Okay, he must have thought, I'm sure. ठीक है. तो but then he said, Amshi, lines लिख ले. नहीं. I said, अच्छा फिर line देना. What are the lines? Because I didn't know how to react. I was not like, wow, Shah Rukh, Akon, Kareena. नहीं. मैं तो एकदम blank. I asked him the lines. He gave me all my lines in Tamil. I said, wow, Tamil film कर रहा है क्या? He said, Hamshi. He will always call me Hamshi. He will never call me Hamsi. I always tell him, ये गुज्जू तुम लोग सुधरेगा नहीं. जहाँ स वहाँ श, जहाँ श वहाँ स. बस तुम लोग का यही है. तो he said that नहीं यार, there is a situation where Shah Rukh plays the role of a South Indian. And Kareena is trying to woo him, so she sings few lines in Tamil. I said, अच्छा, good for me यार, चलो भाई. तो निरंजन अयंगार, very beautifully he had written. ठीक है? तो वो मैं गाई. हाँ, I learned the song. I went inside the recording room. You won't believe, yeah. I heard the song, तभी Akon का हुआ नहीं था. But whatever I heard, okay, my part, which Vishal had sung for me to learn, मैं ये सुनी और मैं सोची भगवान है, ये तो बड़ा गाना है. And I told myself, I am going to enjoy this moment because they were planning to send that song for shoot. Okay, so I started learning the song and I rehearsed few times. And I told them, ठीक है मैं mic में जाती हूँ and I'll start rehearsing. You know, and I told the recorders, जो भी कर रही हूँ record करते जाओ बस. So he said, yeah. These two, they heard me sing, and then they were like, extremely, at ease, and they said, हाँ हाँ तू कर यार, तू तो रजनीकांत है, female रजनीकांत, तू कर, हम लोग यहीं पर हैं. So they were actually relaxed outside the studio, बाहर के room में, I think, and they gave me full freedom to
Full freedom.
do with the song, with the composition, whatever little, whatever tadka I wanted to, aesthetically. They said, तेरा है, तू समझ गई है, तुझे जो करना है कर, ठीक है? And they also recorded the first 4 lines were in Tamil, the latter 4 lines were in Hindi, ठीक है? तो हिंदी का भी record किया. So I did the harmonies, everything, सब कुछ करके I came out of the studio. जल्दी हो गया मेरा, 45 minutes or so. I came out of the studio. You won't believe this. I told Murugane, thank you. Thank you for giving me today. Now it's up in your hands. I kept quiet. 2010 December I recorded. I zipped my lip and I had a conversation with Muruga. Bas. I didn't tell my parents. September end, I think. Yeah. I get a call from Radio Mirchi because they were the official partners to release the music. So I got a call from one of my friends who used to work with Mirchi around 3 o'clock in the night, 3:30. मैं बोली यार, I didn't know. I said, yeah, Bhavani, what? Hurry, Hamsi, by any chance, have you recorded anything for Vishal Shekhar? तभी मेरे को ऐसा for a second it didn't strike me. I said, no. Why you're asking? No. Have you recorded anything for Vishal Shekhar? I said, यार last year किया था यार, मुझे मालूम भी नहीं अभी. And I don't have the habit of asking. अरे that song वो जो record किया अभी उसका क्या हुआ? अरे मैं चुप बैठ गई भाई, जो होना है वो रिलीज के बाद होगा. तो I said, why are you asking me? Ra 1 film. I said, हाँ, I had done a song, but I don't know if my voice is still there. I don't know. She said, anyway, if they have given you the song, don't you have the song singer's name? They said, no, we have not been disclosed the singer's name yet. लेकिन मैं तुझे एक link भेज रही हूँ. I need you to listen to this. I said, ठीक है. And I told her, Bhavani, it is 3:30. Send me in the morning, no? She said, she screamed at me. I said, हाँ ठीक है, भेज दे. तो उसने link भेजा. I heard the link and I was like, I just sat like this. I didn't know it was my voice. And I told her, it's me. And I could hear the entire Radio Mirchi scream. They were awake and they were jumping with joy. I could hear because speakerphone was on. She said, yes, Hamsika here. So, anyway, वो हुआ and my parents woke up at 6:30. And I told them, Amma, I made filter coffee for both of them. Then I said, एक link आया है. Let's see, someone has sent the link and they want all of us to listen to this and give them our opinion. And then இது காலம் கடத்தல. So I said, yeah, ஏதோ ஒரு link வந்து பார்க்கலாம். So मैंने play किया. They were blown because that was the first teaser. First of TV में जो निकला, first trailer of Chamak Challo. First of all, Kareena is looking ravishing. Oof, beautiful. And they just looked at me and they heard, they said, then again they looked at me, they said, is this you? I said, yeah. Meaning they were shocked. They said, when did this happen? Then I told them the story. They said, bloody, it's been a year and you never told us anything. I said, no, because I didn't know. Like, अपना industry में सब कुछ होता है. Yeah, so sometimes you need to keep quiet because knowing Vishal Shekhar, they usually call a singer when they are very clear they want her or him. Sometimes things go out of their
So
hands.
you have to tell our girls about your interaction with Shah Rukh Khan. I think there are Shah Rukh Khan fans here. Yeah, you have to.
See, I went for the music release, okay, album release. So he was very curious. He said, I want to know the meaning. I want to know the meaning of the first 4 lines. So you tell me. And he was very, he's a darling. He knows how to, he knows how to, speak to a lady, and extremely respectful and loving and wonderful human being. And then I told him, oh, sab meaning bataya, one line. And then he also was dancing. I couldn't dance to save my life. That is another story. Lekin he was very cute. He was genuinely interested in knowing what that line was. Though he knows, he's heard, but when he saw me, he wanted to know from the singer. So wo hua, and very cute, yeah. And when I went for Chennai Express. Chennai Express ka album launch. Too much of confusion was happening there, and I reached a little late. ठीक है, तभी वो ऐसा sort of शुरू हो गया था. But I think backstage everyone, they were waiting. Stage में announcement, people are talking, blah blah blah. Vishal was not there that evening, but Shekhar was there. तो हम लोग सब थे, me, Niti Mohan, and everyone. Chinmay was there. Everyone. तो हम लोग सब थे. I reached late, but they were all there in time. तो मैं सब लोग को एक नाम बुलाया गया, ठीक है. एंड जब नाम बुलाया गया, सब लोग जाओ स्टेज पे वन बाय वन. मेरा जब नंबर आया, मैं गई. I was busy looking at the cables because I didn't want to trip and fall. तो ऐसे, and there is someone who always helps you and takes you to the center of the stage. So someone helped me, and I was busy. And as I'm going towards the center of the stage, I just lift my head and I realized that was Shah Rukh Khan, who came to help me. I had no clue because I didn't bother to look at the person. I just held the hand, and मैं वो केबल इधर उधर वो सब डॉच करके मैं वहाँ पर गई. And he was all the time looking and smiling because he knew that इसको बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं है किसने, who has come to guide her, help her. So then suddenly I looked, and I just looked at him, and we both started laughing because he was already smiling. Then I told him, I'm very happy to be a part of your film once again after Chamak Chalo. He said, it's my pleasure to have you on board once again. And बहुत ही beautiful person, very loving, very nice. And it's important to meet such people who have achieved so much, and who are yet very grounded. They know किसके साथ कैसे behave करना है. So it's nice, very nice. I also got to meet अपना Deepika, Kareena, यार.
Kareena, you're mesmerized. I mean, you're attracted to her.
Meaning. See, Chamak Chalo ke time, you look at her and you will drown in her eyes. It's that beautiful, almost like grey bluish. ऐसा मैं तो ऐसे देख रही थी मैं. And she said, I wanted to meet you because your voice is very different from it's slightly unusual and very beautiful. So I'm glad.
And how about Deepika? How did you find her?
She's very nice, and I also, anyway, Priyamani is maha cool, yeah.
Priyamani was also.
Priyamani के ऊपर 1 2 3 4 है. So
एक गाना हो जाए.
Are you ready to dance? कौन सा गाना बोले?
फिर 1 2 3 4 हो जाए ना.
Okay, चलो. I want all the girls.
Let's make.
चलो.
Yeah.
Chalo,
yeah. Everyone, get up and dance. I can't dance.
என்ன Pratiksha, are you standing? Are you going to dance? ले वैष्णवी, फेरिन and Ashwati, खड़े हो जाओ. चले चलो.
இங்க பாய்ஸ்ல எங்க போயிட்டாங்க?
Boys எங்கவா? நான் boys பார்க்கலையே. இன்னும் இருக்கா?
No, Sai Murugan was there and Raghu was there. I think second time they didn't join.
The second time.
Second time.
अच्छा चलो. Okay. अच्छा. Do this. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this we can do.
1, 2, 3. ஏண்டா எங்க போறைய அன்புக்கு நீதாண்டா ஆள வந்து கட்டிக்கடாய உடம்பெல்லாம் காயுது பாரு. எப்பல தமிழ் தெரியாதா? ஹிந்தில once again கண்ணா டா 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 டா. पूनम के चांद को घूंघट के नीचे छुपा के लाई तेरे लिए दुनिया से नजरें छुपा के. पीछे कुआ आगे मेरे खाए, तू ही बता जाओ मैं कहाँ. मुझ पे दुआ किसकी लगी भाई, अरे आके पधर रहा हूँ जो यहाँ. ले फिकर आजा इधर, बीट पे लगा ले तू ठुमका. 1, 2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor. 1, 2, 3, 4, get on the dance floor. Booty shake, the punk of the hardcore. Shoulder, hitchik body, hitchik, gimme, 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 gimme some more.
Yeah, wow, what an energy! My goodness. Amazing. Whenever I meet you, you're like full of energy. That's what I was telling these girls. You should, come with vibrancy, because Hamsika is like full of energy and enthusiasm.
Hey, இப்ப நீங்க எல்லாரும் ரொம்ப டயர்டா இருப்பீங்க டான்ஸ் ஆடிட்டு. Go have one glass of water. Go.
Okay, one more last question. I just want to ask you, tell us one incident, one unforgettable incident that happened with you during 9 to 12 years of age, if you can remember something.
9 to 12, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I've had one.
Sixth standard, around 6th standard. 6th, 7th.
7th standard இருக்கும். See, I was very bad in studies. So, and I was very bad in Marathi. I don't know why. I was bad in Marathi. I was bad in mathematics also. 1 + 1 கூட நான் எப்படி ஸ்டார் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பேன். I know it is 2, but I was very एक math phobia था, बाप रे. So, I had terminal exams லாம் அப்போ இருந்தது இல்லையா, unit test and terminals. I have got just pass in my report card, just pass. And my God gifts us cousins who are brilliant and who are living in the same lane and whose mother will always call up, Chitra ki evlo kachidi, Hamsi ki evlo kachidi ma, because I'm not sure my mom that result is out. So she would ask, I would say, Amma, roll number 1 to 20 that they have given the result. Yennoda anyway is 34 na roll number. So enakku naaliki kadum appadi solli vechiruken. I didn't know. My mommy will call up my mom and bajaw my happiness. So I had to, and the next day 8:30 is the school bell. Okay. I didn't have the guts to show the report card to my mom. Okay. I signed it myself. Okay. And my mom.
You signed yourself.
Yeah. My mom's signature is very simple.
Simple. So even my mom's is very simple.
So I practiced that. So I only signed. Pone. School ku pone. And something you can't be smart, no? If you can't think, you are the smart ass. அது யாரோ இருக்கா, अपने मम्मी डैडी ही हैं, ठीक है? Somewhere I did goof, I goofed up somewhere. So one of the teachers got in touch with my mom, ठीक है? She said, Mrs. Kamala, we want you to come to the school. So my mom was a little bit happy that cha. Wow, school she must have taken part in music and वैसे भी sports का तो है ही. She's very popular for sports. She must have got something, some music project. पतियदा बात करने के लिए बुलाया है करके. So she came. Then the teacher showed her the report card. Wow. घर
Saregama.
धुलाई सफेदी की चमकार ज्यादा सफेद. आप हमेशा ऐसे ही साबुन यूज कीजिए या तो पाउडर यूज कीजिए कपड़ों पे ऐसे धुलाई. I got and I'm very happy I got all that in my life. I used to be very bad in studies. Not that I'm bootu, but I'm not interested. Just not interested. तो वैसा हुआ है. Basically, school days में studies. And one more episode. I used to be very bad with food. Eating. Mom used to. I have troubled her a lot. Yeah, I have troubled her a lot. So my mom had this habit of making chapati, paratha and all, like parota. So I'm not interested. As I'm sitting, ज़मीन पे बैठी हूँ और मम्मी परोस रही है वहाँ. She's facing there, उधर. Her back is facing me. So she's making chapati भाजी है, ऊर्गा, whatever. So she puts one chapati, and as she turns around, हमारे लेफ्ट में वो एक खाचा आएंगे सिलेंडर ला बैठा. ग्राउंड फ्लोर फ्लैट था. सिलेंडर रखते थे. I used to just almost एक ही निवाला चपाती कर रखे. I used to throw it behind the cylinder. Okay? Because I was not interested. मेरे को तभी भूख नहीं था. And हमारे घर पे पेरिचाली used to come. Okay? Bandicoot. Thanks to me, if I keep putting these things, वो आएगा. ये डायनासोर भी आएगा घर पे. तो so my mom turns around. अरे उड़ चुकी है. सरी. So she is making the other chapati. तो वो डाल के. So I'm over smart, no? So I have just done this, and that chapati is actually वैसा उड़ रहा है. वो उड़ के वो, and my mom has just turned to say something to me wrong. वो चपाती माओ पेसेरा madre and passenger ni kamma. So that's why she said acha.
Now Hamsika ji, Vaishnavi will ask questions from audience if anyone has any question or request from Hamsika. So Vaishnavi will take over.
Please ask.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
Good. It was actually so we had a lot of fun, like listening to you talk. It was so fun, like the energy, we could just feel it from here, the kind of energy you have. Yeah. So does anyone have any questions for Hamsika ma'am?
You can ask.
I have a request, ma'am. I have a request. I have a personal request. Can you sing any Tamil song for us?
Tamil song? Of
Yeah.
course. Sorry, I will sing one Ilayaraja sir ka gana now. Chalo. I will sing this. Okay. என் வாழ்விலே வருமன் தேவா, என் வாழ்விலே வருமன் தேவா, கண்டேவா நிலமுகம் கண்டேவா, ஒரே சுகம் நான் காண இன்பம் என் வாழ்விலே வருமன் தேவா. எறும்பாக நினைத்தேனே கரும்பாக இனிதாயே, என்னென்ன எண்ணங்கள் உன் நெஞ்சிலே. எறும்பாக நினைத்தேனே கரும்பாக இனிதாயே, என்னென்ன எண்ணங்கள் உன் நெஞ்சிலே. காணாத சொர்க்கம் உந்தன் காதல் அல்லவா, காணாத சொர்க்கம் உந்தன் காதல் அல்லவா. தீராத மோகம் तंग तेरी इंगवा ए जिंदगी गले लगा ले ए जिंदगी गले लगा ले हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है नायन पागले वरुमन बेबा.
My
Thank you
goodness,
so
your
much.
voice so divine. Oh my God, so divine. Thank you so much for.
Thank you. Why don't you all sing something here? Man, कुछ भी. Your favorites. All time favorites.
After you
सब लोग हाँ
sang,
दो
how
दो
can we sing?
ஐயோ உங்க முன்னாடிலாம் பாடவே முடியாது சான்ஸே கிடையாது.
No. I believe every human being के अंदर एक musician बैठा है. That is, every human being is a singer. Bindas, go.
That is true, but we should not dare sing next to you. Like you're such a divine voice you have, mesmerizing voice you have.
Thank you, but then feel free to sing now.
एक और song आपके choice का, one song please for us.
कोई और language? Bengali?
हाँ.
Huh?
Yeah.
One song.
Bengali is beautiful song. Yeah.
Okay. For Shantanu Moitra only. ठीक है.
हाँ.
देखती हूँ. Very beautiful. Unplugged गाना. Anga நீங்களா எப்படி? How are you passing your time, yeah?
We are all busy with online courses.
अरे हाँ, online. Yes. Correct.
And घर का काम, homework as you said.
हाँ Mandi. I'm so busy going from bedroom to bathroom to toilet to kitchen to living room. हाँ. चलो, this is a very beautiful song by Shantanu Moitra. छाया भी तू छाया চেনা গাছ গাছালির ফাঁকে আলো ভাঙা আলো বাজে সন্ধে নামার শাঁখে ঘাসে পরবাসে যদি আসে মধুমাস ঘুমে পরভূমে যদি আসে মধুমাস বন্ধু হারালো আকাশ ছায়া ভীতু ছায়া চেনা গাছ গাছালির ফাঁকে. The song is about friendship. You know,
Beautiful.
I
mean, this Bengali, you can when you hear it, it's so beautiful, right?
Thank you.
আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি. That's all I know in Bengali. Now, I think thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Ferren will give a word of thanks.
Hi.
Ferren?
Acha, one more thing. Before I leave.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
I want to say, no matter how old you all grow, don't ever lose out that child in you. Keep that child alive.
Yes.
No matter where you go, what you achieve, where you reach in life, that bachpana, that childlike, that bachana, keep it alive. Keep that flame burning. It's very important.
Great lesson for all of us, especially. Yes, Ferren, word of thanks.
Hey, her voice I can't hear.
We can't hear you.
Yeah?
Ferren, we can't hear you.
Shall I mute myself?
No. Parent? I think
host
only
has
3 more
muted
minutes
her.
are left. This will also get over, I believe.
उसका सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
Try leaving and join back. I guess I'm not sure.
What is it?
I don't know what's. Anyway, thank you so much.
Thank you, Bharti. Thank you. Thank you, all of
sharing
you.
your life journey, success journey. it's been really enlightening to know
Thank
that
you, man. Thank
even
you,
though
thank
you're good
you.
at something, you have to enhance your skills. You have to strive. You have to.
Yes.
And do you, and also I feel that you are saying that luck also plays a part.
Luck is always, apart from working hard, luck always is a very important, plays an important role. And no matter what degree you achieve in life, there is a very beautiful qualification that life teaches you. That's the biggest, BA BCom BSc डॉक्टर CA सब है. लाइफ जो सिखाता है वो अलग है.
Life experiences.
Life.
And from failure, as you said, like even though you lost in Saregama, but then you took it as a challenge and you learned from it, and then you said that you have to move ahead, and you took life seriously.
You have to see the failure. तभी you will start valuing things.
So thank you so much. Thanks to all the participants.
Thank you,
and thanks to all the
Thank you.
our students, and thanks for the
Bacha party.
Thank you. Bacha party. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
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 Bye.